Welcome viewers. Today on TV Box Top, I feature the second release of the Aurzen EAZZE D1 projector that received lots of great user reviews. Today, they released the Aurzen EAZZE D1 Pro, which is the upgraded model. In this review, we take a look at what improvements they made in this new model, its firmware features, and picture quality. So my full review begins right after this. For some specs, this model has 350 ANSI lumens, 1080p native resolution, Netflix ESN license, dual speakers with Total Sonic's directional audio surround sound system, Dolby audio, and digital autofocus and auto 4D corner keystone correction. So I'm back, and let's get started. In this purchase, you get the new D1 Pro model. You get one Bluetooth remote control, one HDMI cable, a 29 volts 3.8 amps DC power adapter, a lens cleaning kit, and your warranty information and user manual. Its design is made of a plastic shell with a plexiglass front which houses the autofocus, IR sensor, and glass-coated lens. Its I/O ports are on the side and comprise of one HDMI input, two USB ports, one AV port, a headphone jack, and its DC input socket. You also have its exhaust vent and a right built-in speaker. On the left, you have another built-in speaker. To its rear, you have dual removable dust filters. At the top, you have touch button controls, and to its base has 4 rubber feet, a screw-type kickstand, and a single screw mount for mounting to a tripod or ceiling mount. So I currently have it set up on a projector stand at 8 feet 2.4 meters from my 74 inches projector screen due to my limited space. And upon first startup, you have its first autofocus calibration, then the pairing of the Bluetooth remote by pressing the plus or minus buttons simultaneously. Then you have to complete a short startup wizard followed by the launcher. So this is the launcher. Without a connection to the internet, it has a very simple layout, but as soon as you connect, the lower section will populate with the Netflix and other recommended content. This projector is fully certified to run paid subscription services, so it comes with Netflix, Prime Video, and you can install Disney Plus and Hulu under the App Assistant application. In the Apps section, you will find the App Assistant section. Your screen mirroring option is under the section called Screencast. Under the section labeled Home Share is where you can cast your mobile devices using the official Chromecast feature in apps such as YouTube, Netflix, and other compatible streaming apps. And the last section is where you can pair your mobile device to the projector and use it as a Bluetooth speaker. But please note, this is not your Bluetooth audio option for connecting the projector to your Bluetooth speaker. This is so you can use the projector itself as a Bluetooth speaker. So here is a look at its settings area. Under System Setup, you can change its language. You can adjust its date and time. You have screensaver timer option. You can disable the screen timer. You have auto standby option or auto sleep option. You can update its firmware via USB. You can check for wireless updates via the internet. And you can reset to factory default settings. Under Picture Mode, you can adjust its color and brightness from a selection of presets, or you can set your custom user settings. You can adjust its gamma level and its color temperature. Under Audio Settings, you can change the sound style from a selection of presets or set custom user levels. When user is selected, you can adjust its treble and bass independently. Under Digital Output Mode, you can set it to auto. you can set it to Dolby Digital or Dolby Atmos or Dolby Digital Plus. You can disable surround audio by setting it to PCM. You have a text-to-speech option. You can enable dialogue enhancement. This will prefer vocal audio over background music. You have Keystone sounds. And finally, you have an option called DBX TV, which is a virtual surround sound feature. Once enabled, it will assume control and disable all audio presets. You have Bluetooth options for connecting to wireless headphones, gamepads, Bluetooth speakers, and AV receivers. Under Network is where you can connect to your Wi-Fi, and it supports dual band 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz Wi-Fi 6 routers. Under Projection, you can change its projection direction between front and rear projection as well as when mounted to a ceiling. Under Keystone, you can enable or disable Auto Keystone feature, and you also have 4-point corner keystone adjustments. Under Zoom settings, you have 50% digital zoom. Under Focus, you can enable or disable its autofocus feature, and you can also adjust its digital focus manually. And under its About section, you can view its Netflix ESN license, its firmware version, its license agreement. You can change its device name when searching for it wirelessly, and you can also monitor its hardware temperature. For entertainment, it comes with Netflix, Prime Video, Disney Plus, and Hulu, and it's fully certified with a Netflix ESN license to stream their movies in HD quality. Also, it comes with 2 international live TV streaming apps that you can view once you are connected to the internet. So here's a Netflix demonstration, and I'm surprised that you even have HDR display. One thing to note, when you enable the DBX TV audio feature, the audio from this projector is amazing.
Satellite telecommunications, the Federal Reserve, the stock market, and the National Power Grid.
The FAA, NASA, and the combined branches of our military.
And we're not alone. It has penetrated the world and European central banks.
For playing self-hosted videos, you navigate to the source input option at the top of the screen and select the USB option to play media connected directly to its USB ports via external storage. I've already tested, and it can only play 1080p video formats. It cannot play 4K. And for surround sound audio formats, it can only process Dolby Atmos. DTS audio and other Dolby formats are not supported. So here's a 1080p video sample.
Every night, I dream the same dream. These hands were once used for battle. Now they're but humble tools for peace.
And here is a Dolby Atmos video sample.
This is Dolby Atmos, the world's first object-based cinematic audio.
To mirror and cast your mobile devices, you simply open the screen share option, and using your favorite Android casting app, search for the Aurzen EAZZE D. So here I'm casting my Android cell phone. You can use this mode to watch apps such as YouTube. However, it also has an official Chromecast feature under the Home Share section. With this feature, you can use the official Chromecast feature in apps such as Netflix and other subscription services, as well as YouTube and Facebook. If you prefer not to use its built-in streaming features and instead use your favorite streaming device connected via HDMI, then you will be happy to know that it's fully compatible with all certified Android and Apple streaming devices. So I will now play a 4K AV1 video via a certified Android TV box to demonstrate its optimal display and sound quality. Its built-in Dolby audio features sounds outstanding. However, if you prefer to connect to an external audio system, then you can do so via Bluetooth. Simply open the Bluetooth section in the settings area and scan for your Bluetooth device. Here is a sound sample when connected to my home theater system. If you are into gaming on projectors, here is a sample of the gaming quality you have with this model. I have it connected to my gaming PC and I'm using a Bluetooth gamepad and I'm not experiencing any latency. As a matter of fact, I'm having lots of fun controlling the vehicle in this racing game and the graphics is outstanding. For those concerned about fan noise, it generates around 48 decibels, which is not too loud. So viewers, there you have it. This was my review of the new Aurzen EAZZE D1 Pro. So if after this review you are satisfied with the audio and video performance of this new model and you would like to purchase, I placed a link in the description where it's currently being sold at 20% off, reducing the price to $199. So see the link in the description. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If so, don't forget to give it the thumbs up before leaving. If you like this kind of videos, be sure to hit the subscribe button and ring the notifications bell to receive notifications when I post new videos, offer second-hand prices on products featured in my videos, or decide to do a giveaway. Stay connected and see you in the next one.